Welcome to our tutorial on configuring ESLint for Jest tests in a NextJS application. Let's start by creating an export statement with module exports to indicate that we are defining our ESLint configuration, which will be exported as a module. Here we're extending ESLint's configuration with a set of predefined rules. We use ESLint, recommended for a baseline of best practices, plugin, React, recommended for React-specific rules, and NextJS configurations, which include rules related to core web vitals. The env property helps ESLint determine the environments your code is designed to run in. We've enabled ES6 features. We've indicated that our code may run in Node.js, and crucially, we've enabled Jest globals. This last setting informs ESLint about Jest's global variables, which prevents ESLint from flagging them as undefined. The parser options section is used to specify the ECMAScript version, which we've set to 2018. We also define our source type as module, allowing for the use of import and export statements. In the plugins array, we add Jest. This inclusion tells ESLint to use the ESLint plugin Jest, which contains custom rules for testing with Jest. Finally, under settings, we specify Jest configuration, providing the version of Jest we are using. In our case, we're using version 26. This helps the plugin tailor its rules to the specific version of Jest we've installed.